Hey friends, I just got these Amazon Prime shoes in today, and I wanted to do this quick review with you so we can take a look at them together and see what we think. There are different colors to choose from, and I ended up choosing this champagne's beautiful bow. I do believe that this was the color gold, but it definitely looks lighter than gold. It's much more of a tan champagne color, and it's very pretty with the satin finish to it. There is some padding in the heel area and the ball of the feet. The heel is a nice height. It's about 3 to 4 inches, and there is some traction on the bottom here. All right, let's try these on. I did order my usual size 6, so let's see how well these fit. Okay, so these fit well, as they should. They're not squeezing my toes, and I have slightly wide feet, so absolutely love that. I would say that they are maybe slightly long, but not by much in length. They fit rather comfortably and they look great on, so I'm really pleased with the fit of it. It does feel rather comfortable. I hope that this review was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.